Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. Step into a refreshing oasis with a white and orange Moroccan bathroom design. This vibrant yet calming space celebrates the beauty of Moroccan style with a touch of modern elegance. Key characteristics: crisp white walls. White walls form the foundation, creating a sense of spaciousness and allowing the pops of orange to truly shine. Vibrant orange accents. Incorporate pops of orange through tiles, towels, accessories, or even a painted vanity for a touch of Moroccan flair and warmth. Geometric mosaic tiles in orange and white create a stunning backsplash or floor pattern. Zellige tilework, optional for a truly authentic touch. Consider using zellige tiles, small and hand-cut tiles with a unique, irregular surface, in orange or white for the backsplash, shower walls, or even a decorative accent wall. Sleek fixtures and hardware, balance the vibrancy with sleek, modern fixtures and hardware in chrome, nickel, or matte black. This creates a touch of luxury and keeps the space feeling clean and contemporary. Lanterns and candlelight. Moroccan design is all about creating a warm and inviting ambience. Lanterns with intricate metalwork in brass or copper add a touch of Moroccan flair and cast beautiful shadows on the walls. Strategically placed candles add a touch of romance and relaxation. Woven baskets and natural elements. Woven baskets for towels or toiletries add a touch of rustic charm and connect the space to nature. Natural wood accents like vanity countertops or shelves further enhance this connection. Plants and fresh flowers. A touch of greenery softens the color scheme and adds a touch of life. Opt for a potted palm or snake plant, or display fresh flowers in a Moroccan-inspired vase. Overall vibe: a white and orange Moroccan bathroom design is a refreshing and inviting space that celebrates cultural heritage with a modern twist. It's a space that promotes relaxation and rejuvenation, while also offering a touch of vibrancy and visual intrigue. Extra touches: Moroccan-inspired mirrors. Hang a mirror with an ornate frame or intricate metalwork to enhance the Moroccan theme. Colorful towels. Showcase plush towels in vibrant orange hues or with Moroccan-inspired patterns for a touch of personality. Moroccan bath products. Display beautiful Moroccan black soap or traditional hammam towels for a touch of cultural authenticity. By incorporating these elements and personalizing them to your taste, you can create a stunning white and orange Moroccan bathroom that is both beautiful and functional, a refreshing haven for relaxation and self-care. A white and orange Moroccan bathroom design offers a unique blend of refreshment, warmth, cultural flair, and modern elegance. Here are some compelling reasons to consider this vibrant yet calming look for your bathroom: refreshment and spaciousness, bright and airy. The white walls create a sense of spaciousness and light, perfect for smaller bathrooms. It feels clean and airy, promoting a sense of rejuvenation. Pops of orange. The orange accents add a touch of vibrancy without overwhelming the space. This creates a cheerful and refreshing atmosphere. Modern twist on Moroccan charm. A touch of Morocco. Moroccan design elements like intricate tilework, lanterns, and woven baskets bring a touch of cultural heritage and exotic flair to your bathroom. Modern appeal. Balancing the Moroccan touches with sleek fixtures and hardware keeps the space feeling contemporary and avoids appearing too busy. Personalize your oasis. The beauty of this design lies in its adaptability. You can choose a bolder orange for a more vibrant feel or more subtle orange accents for a softer touch. Functionality and visual interest. A feast for the eyes. The interplay of white with pops of orange and intricate tilework creates a visually stimulating and captivating space. Functionality with flair. Sleek fixtures and hardware ensure a functional and modern bathroom, while the Moroccan elements add a touch of visual interest and cultural charm. Connection to nature. Woven baskets, natural wood accents, and plants add a touch of rustic charm and connect the space to nature, creating a calming and balanced atmosphere. Overall, a white and orange Moroccan bathroom design offers a refreshing and visually stimulating space that celebrates cultural heritage with a modern twist. It's a functional and beautiful bathroom that promotes relaxation and rejuvenation, while also offering a touch of vibrancy and visual intrigue. Here's a roadmap to get you started on designing your dream white and orange Moroccan bathroom, a refreshing haven that blends modern functionality with cultural flair. Planning and assessment. 1. Measure your space. Measure your bathroom meticulously and create a detailed layout sketch. Consider the location of existing plumbing fixtures, electrical outlets, windows, and the size of doorways. 2. Define your orange shade. Moroccan design utilizes a range of orange hues. Research online resources and pictures of white and orange Moroccan bathrooms to find an orange shade that resonates with you. Consider factors like the size of your bathroom and the amount of natural light it receives. A brighter orange can work well in larger bathrooms, while a more subdued terracotta shade can add warmth to smaller spaces. 3. Budgeting. Set a realistic budget for your project. Consider the cost of painting, tiles, for backsplash, floor, or accent wall, bathroom fixtures, vanity, toilet, showerhead, hardware, faucets, towel racks, lighting, decorative elements, and any necessary plumbing or electrical modifications. Prioritize key elements like painting the walls white, installing Moroccan-inspired tiles for a backsplash or floor, and incorporating some statement lighting or hardware. Design and color scheme. 1. Embrace the light. Paint your walls white to create a bright and airy feel. 2. Pops of orange. Select your chosen orange shade for accents. Geometric mosaic tiles in orange and white for the floor or backsplash create a stunning visual statement. You can also incorporate orange through towels, bath mats, a painted vanity, or even artwork. 3. Sleek fixtures and hardware. Opt for sleek, modern fixtures and hardware in chrome, nickel, or matte black to balance the vibrancy of the orange and maintain a clean, contemporary aesthetic. Moroccan touches and functionality. 1. Zellige tilework, optional for an authentic touch. Consider using zellige tiles, small and hand-cut with a unique, irregular surface, in orange or white for the backsplash, shower walls, or even a decorative accent wall. Be aware that zellige tiles can be more expensive than standard tiles. 2. Lighting. Focus on creating a warm and inviting ambience. Consider Moroccan-style lanterns with intricate metalwork for a touch of flair. Add recessed lighting for overall illumination and strategically placed sconces for task lighting. 3. Woven baskets and natural elements. Utilize woven baskets for storage of towels or toiletries, adding a touch of rustic charm. Natural wood accents, like vanity countertops or shelves, further enhance this connection to nature. Finishing touches. 1. Moroccan-inspired mirror. Hang a mirror with an ornate frame or intricate metalwork to enhance the Moroccan theme. 2. Plants and fresh flowers. A small potted plant like a snake plant or air plant adds a touch of life and softens the color scheme. Display fresh flowers in a Moroccan-inspired vase for a pop of color and fragrance. 3. Colorful towels. Showcase plush towels in vibrant orange hues or with Moroccan-inspired patterns for a touch of personality. 4. Moroccan bath products. Optional display beautiful Moroccan black soap or traditional hammam towels for a touch of cultural authenticity. But be mindful of how these elements might clash with the white and orange color scheme. Additional tips. Consult with a bathroom designer familiar with Moroccan style for guidance on layout optimization, tile selection, and balancing modern functionality with Moroccan aesthetics. Explore online retailers or local shops specializing in Moroccan handicrafts to find unique and beautiful tiles, hardware, and decorative elements. Consider DIY touches. You can stencil Moroccan patterns on an accent wall or paint existing bathroom furniture in your chosen shade of orange. Don't be afraid to mix and match patterns and textures, but ensure they complement the white and orange color scheme to maintain a cohesive overall look. By following these steps and personalizing your design choices, you can create a stunning white and orange Moroccan bathroom that is both beautiful and functional, a refreshing haven for relaxation and self-care. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.